isa may 5 points, guys. Matatanggal yan, guys. Itawa na namin yan. Dami mo tuklaro. Kaya nga games eh. Starte lang yan para makatanggal.
This is how legends are made.
Dahil reklamo. Ay, bawal punit. Bawal punit ha. Bawal to gigil. Ulit ka.
This is how legends
Mas
are
mahalata ako nung
made.
pinunit eh. Disqualify yung punit ha.
I'm cranking up on the throttle. Victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight.
Guys, nagawa na namin yan. Kaya madali lang yan.
Too far to
Para logic lang din yan. Bawal punit ha.
I'm cranking up
Kaya.
on the throttle. This is how legends
Kaya.
are made.
Yung mga si Ruelo, tama ginagawa niya oh. Didilaan mo yan, te.
This is how legends are made.
Kanya kayain si Vince, focus lang.
This is how legends are made.
Pwede pa makahabol yung ibang team.
From the fire, getting stronger.
Okay.
This is how legends are made. Above it all, untouchable.
Yung Squid Game mo, naghirap sila, dila lang gamit. Kasi di ba dila?
This is how legends are made. This is how legends
Wala
are
kayo ng
made.
sila dito. 2 minutes. Hanggang 5 minutes lang ko ah.
This is how
Tutusok-tusukin mo lang yun na mabilis na gano'n, no?
lightning inside me. Oh, just you watch. This is how
Baka
legends
matuto
are
itlog mo dyan, ano?
like a titan that's rising.
Baka matuto itlog mo. Huwag nilagay sa itlog mo. Dugo yun.
Just you watch. This
Actually,
is
dito, hindi
how
pa kaya, no?
legends
Team
are
captain.
made.
Ayun, natanggalin nga ito.
Natatanggal yan, tsagaan lang.
Coach, wala akong lahat. Coach, wala akong
Kaya nga games eh. Pero ba madaling game?
O, ayan! Big! Dagdag 60 pesos!
Sa batis mo, te.
You never
Nasa
said a
bahay.
word, you didn't send me
Oo,
no
hindi.
letter. Don't think I could forgive you.
Isa mo na, matatapos na kami dito.
Slowly dying, I'm not wasting no more time. Don't think I could believe you.
Diyan mo lang kami ako. Sa ano? Sa may terrace.
Yeah, you
Sa
never
terrace, sa may
said
ano,
a
sa
word,
labas.
you didn't send me
Nakikita
no
mo ba? Pwede ba
letter.
yun?
Don't think I
Oh,
could
pwede.
forgive you.
Diskarte.
Sana ginawa ko.
Our word is slowly dying, I'm not wasting no
1
more time.
minute.
Don't think I could believe you. Yeah, our hands will get more wrinkled and our hair will be gray. Don't think I could forgive you.
Okay na kayo kita, hindi. Basta
Children
natanggal
are
lang.
starving and their houses were destroyed. Don't think they could forgive you. When seas will cover lands and when men will be no more. Don't think you can forgive you. Yeah,
Guys, pagkatapos agad, linis na. Unang team, magtinila natin yung team eh. Sino yung pangalawa? Sino yung pangalawa? Okay. Buboy tsaka Ruel, first batch. First laban. Ten minutes!
10 minutes? Baka 10 seconds? Sige,
Wait, inunit, coach, oh.
Very good. Timers! Time!